Good morning, class 7th. Welcome back to the online classes of Kevira Academy. And this is your English teacher Sunil Arya. You know, we have started chapter 14, and the chapter was articles. Articles. And I explained what are articles, and articles has two types. There are two types of articles in English language, and first is indefinite article, and the second was definite articles. And I have explained about indefinite articles, and today I am going to explain definite article and what is definite article and its examples, etc. Definite article. Definite article. The definite article refers to a noun either in the singular or plural. It can be used with uncountable nouns that refers to a specific things or quality. It should be placed before the noun or before the adjective which directly modifies the noun. These are articles. And how to use of definite article and uses of article with a singular or plural noun when it is clear which person or thing we are talking about, with a singular or plural noun when it is clear which person or thing we are talking about. That is use of definite article. And its examples are: there is a lamp in my bedroom. There is a lamp in my bedroom. It is the first example. And second is, the lamp is next to the desk. The lamp